Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Getting error code 1 in Ghost of Tsushima, especially when you're deeply immersed in the game, can be really annoying. It often pops up unexpectedly, completely halting your progress. But the good news is, for many players, this issue can be fixed with a few simple solutions. Let's walk through some of the most effective ways to get you back to defending Tsushima. Starting with the basics, the very first thing you should always try is a complete game restart. Close Ghost of Tsushima entirely from your console's dashboard. If that doesn't work, give your PlayStation a full power cycle. Turn it off, unplug it from the wall for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and restart. This often clears up minor system hiccups that might be triggering the error code. Sometimes, error code 1 points to an issue with your game files. They might be corrupted or incomplete. On PlayStation, you can usually verify the integrity of your game data through the options menu for the game. While you're at it, double-check that Ghost of Tsushima and your PlayStation console's system software are updated. Outdated software can often lead to compatibility issues and unexpected errors. Even though Ghost of Tsushima is a single-player game, your network connection can still play a role, especially with game licensing or updates. A good step is to restart your home router and modem. Unplug them both, wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Also, quickly check for any reported outages for PlayStation network services. Sometimes, widespread issues can indirectly affect your game. If you've tried all the previous suggestions and error code 1 still persists, a full game reinstall might be necessary as a last resort. Remember to back up your saved data first, if your console allows, so you don't lose your progress. If the error truly won't go away, don't hesitate to reach out to PlayStation support or browse the official Ghost of Tsushima community forums for further help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.